Hello, hi, everyone. Okay, today we'll be unboxing kit from 30-minute mission. It's a Portanova marine type purple. So this basic unit plus the marine type accessory lah. Then the weapon here. So this front and rear image. And this a posing action pose, and the weapon here got a support mecha boy. Then the tank at the back can be used like a leg here or hand. So this a Portanova, this a marine unit, just customized. So first you can see the pack. First pack here, UTH1. I think you got UTH2 because two tank. So UTI1, this is a weapon. It's a yellow. These are like scuba mask. Then got a sticker. The sticker numbering, different size and color. And runner B, I think this for inner frame of hand parts. Then this is runner A. I think this whole runner will make a Portanova 30-minute mission, because it's complete runner for one Portanova. Then another pack for the accessory. We've got a polycap, basic round shape polycap, ball shape. This is a UTH2 for the accessory parts, and this also for the accessory, I think for the weapon or the tank propeller thruster. Then we'll see the manual. Okay, second. So this is the manual, and you can see the info what the unit will be look like. The customize, we can do customize because they got many hole, 3 holes suitable for customize. And this is a number of runner. The backpack, then you can attach to the leg or to the hand. Okay, start here. They start with the accessory first. This is a backpack one. I got two. It's like a tank, but can attach to hand and leg. This is the weapon. Then this accessory for the head, for the shoulder, leg, and front skirt. The head unit is like scuba mask. Then this is a body unit. Then next you got arm unit. This one right arm, left arm, waist, right leg, left leg, and lastly is a Roy Boy. Then you can see here how to hold the weapon and attach the weapon. And here you can change the backpack. You can put for the hands extension, customize for the hands like this, or you can change to the leg. This image when finished lah. Okay, I think that's all for unboxing 30-minute mission Portanova marine type purple color. Okay, thank you all. Bye.